Yeah, so this is my review of Blue Hurricane 4 Loko. You know, you open it and you pour it out and it's like it's blue. So yeah, and then like yeah, it tastes like shit. What do you think? Oh yeah, bitches. So bitches love that shit. Does that make you horny?
So horny.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a good flavor. You know, I like the can. It's a good, it's a good scent, good design. Yeah, I like this one, man. So yeah, give it a try. You know, it's like pretty good new flavor. Yeah, all right. So see you later, bitch ass.